it seems.
But I'm saying, does the same thing happen sympathetically if I were, I guess you could say it's the same thing if you use your eye, then it's your visual cortex at that point. Right. So maybe, sure.
So if you were to close your eyes right now and imagine seeing something, your visual cortex would light up in the same way as if you were actually seeing.
Okay, now wait. So here's what I really want to know. Because this is, to me, the big payoff. If I imagine a painful situation in the fMRI, does the part of my brain that registers pain light up? Because now there's no pain happening at all. There's no sensory perception of pain. There's no physical stimuli of pain. Does that happen?
It would light up, maybe not as strongly as if it were actually activated by the somatosensory system.
Oh, it would with me, but I'm a big baby.
But if you imagined yourself being touched or a painful stimulus, then the part of the brain that is responsible for that stuff, touch, would light up, would be activated.
So that's phenomenal. Well, that's so a hallucination.